Paidbah jongkari Argentina hanongba Buenos Aires kilapenmi ya ki Sopti bat kilama kibadan ya Jingthoh the Malvinas are Argentine hadin bakilang kirang ya kai ka Argentina kilara ya kalama kabadan ya kate Jingthoh hakasngi bakila job ya ka semi final World Cup bersha ya ke England didukan ki bapenmi ya kite Jingthoh kila Shon ya kite ki kentin ban da ki hajar ki nongkershan kilawan ban pha Shon ya kite ki kentin hakajuk kerukom kembala tho hakalama balara da kirang ile kai kari kajingra jong kirang ile kai kari Argentina ya kalama kabadon ya kate Jingthoh ha ka jingle kai persha ya ke England kena penlong ya keyboard punya football ke England ban ujor sha ke FIFA ban pencutam ya ke kenhuan football kari Argentina kani kelawan ra ya ke jing ekran jong ki babun kiriu it football jong kiri ke perthai namar kat kum ki an jong ke FIFA omsha ya kenugo kari ban ra ya ke Jingthoh ki bai dei bat kasan perthai hamadan ile kai bat la dale persha kani ka FIFA kat penjutom bat laru ban khang ile kai ban pen kan ma ka dolen nong faklan malakhot hakari Argentina daki Malvinas kade ka jaka ka ba ka jingya kani essential kala ne Islam hapdeng ka Argentina bat ka United Kingdom.
No, no, todo esa colaboración, los afiches es para acá. ¿Este donde en el medio?
No, acostado, porque ves que dice Argentina.
I was 13 years old when the Malvinas War happened, so I lived through Malvinas. I always have Argentina things. I don't call them rags. I call them flags. But well, we're here for the rags, as they say. And I came to print, the Malvinas are Argentine.
More than champions, they are national heroes. They didn't care about anything, not even the sanctions. They did it thanks to someone who had the idea of bringing a rag with 4 words, and they didn't hesitate. And for me, that was the final, nothing more and nothing less.
These boys were and will be the best foreign ministry the Argentine Republic has ever had for the Malvinas, Falkland Islands claim. I don't think anyone else can surpass them, because they have taken our claim, which we have had since 1833, to the whole world. And one more thing. This World Cup will not be remembered because Spain won. It will be remembered because Argentines raised a rag asking for what is ours to be returned to us.
The public response was amazing. From the moment we launched it, we had a lot of activity both on social media and by word of mouth. People came and rang the bell asking, "Is this where they print the flag?" And more or less last weekend, we printed about 1,000 pieces. Today we have a 2-block line. I don't know, there will be a lot of people. At least 2,000 for sure.
Seguro.